Y'all see? Got the braids out. Let me show y'all this little guy right here.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kingside, and y'all know I'm back with another video.
If y'all not subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like for me. You feel me? It's on the right way. But as y'all can see from the title, y'all know D-Rock. He played in Chris and Queen. Well, not Chris and Queen. He played in dang, he played in Queen's medicine video as Chris. And he had a tutorial on how he got his hair all curly. So we about to see if that joint work. I got my braids in, as y'all can see. And he had this. He said he take his braids out or whatever. So I'm about to take my braids out.
Take these arms out.
Y'all see? Got the braids out. Let me show y'all this little guy right here. Got a new little puppy. Yeah, I got these out. About to go hop in the shower. Use this. See what's up with it. Because he look like his curl just popped up. So we about to see what the deal is. You know, so I'm about to go wash. Put the conditioner in my hair. What's up, boy? What's up? Put the conditioner in my hair. Come back, show y'all the results. We gonna see what's popping. So until then, as y'all can tell, like he said, this junk is mad curly. But y'all know, I don't know what he mixed with, but I'm black, so my hair shrink up, but it ain't dried all the way. The curls still look good. Yeah. But this it. Right here, this conditioner. Hey, it worked good, so y'all go check out D-Rock YouTube channel. And you know, that's where I got the tutorial from. But hey, y'all make sure y'all go check out this next vlog I'm about to upload of the first time I got played.
Telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit in silence and find whenever I meditate, my fears alleviate, my tears evaporate, my faith don't deviate, ideas don't have a date, but see I'm growing and getting stronger with every breath. Bring